Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon,
Good
sir. Good
afternoon,
afternoon,
sir.
sir.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm fine.
Fine.
Fine. How about you?
Fine.
Okay, I'm good, thank you. Okay, well, students, welcome back to my class. Before we start it, please somebody help me lead your class to pray. Anita, please.
Okay, sir. Okay, friends, let's pray in your hand.
Okay, next, I will check your attendance list. Okay, Anita Lestari Indah is here.
Yes, I
Anita,
am.
yes. Dari Wulandari.
Yes, sir.
Kalian,
I'm present.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Endrawati, yes. Endrawati.
Yes, sir.
If you still remember about our lesson in the last, we discussed label.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So what is it? Melissa, please, you can you?
Actually, I forgot, sir. I'm sorry.
Okay, you progress. Okay, no worries. Okay, label is an information contained in the outer packaging of a product or good. It's available in food, drinks, and medicines. Okay, you remember that? Thank you, Melissa. So today we will go on for the new chapter in our lesson. But before I explain to you, I will give you the learning objectives that you will reach after learning this material. For the first one, you will be able to compare the social function of recipe correctly. And in the skill, you can formulate or answer social functions of recipe correctly. Hello class, can you see me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, our material today is about recipe. Okay, recipe. And then I give you facts, two facts. Please attention to the two facts. Okay, you can see this in the text one, how to make a pancake. There is ingredients, materials, and procedure. Two. Okay, it is about blended ice cappuccino. Okay, it is ingredients and it is instructions. Four questions for you, but we discuss it in here. Okay, please let's see number one. Have you ever seen those texts?
Yes, of course.
Yes.
Yes. Good.
Yes, I
Okay.
have.
So where did you see it, or where did you can find this text?
In magazine.
In magazine. All right. Hello, Bu Dewi. Sorry, Dewi. Where you can find this text?
In television, sir.
Okay. Anything else? Maybe the others? No. Okay.
In the packages.
Okay. Right. Okay. Okay. Next question. What's the name of the text?
I think it's
Recipe.
recipe, sir.
Recipe.
Okay, it's great answer. It is recipe. Okay. Next. Number 4. What is the text used for?
To tell readers how to make something.
Okay, to tell readers how to make something. Recipe is a set of instructions that describes how to prepare or make something, especially a dish of prepared food. So, we talk about food in recipe. It is your answer. You can find those texts in newspaper or magazine. You can find the text by watching television or YouTube, or you can listening to the radio, and you can find the steps by reading recipe books. Okay. Have you got it, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. Okay. It is the social functions of recipe. Recipe has the goal how to make something is completely done through a sequence of steps. Okay. There is sequence. It means that first, second, next, and then after that until finally. Okay. So it have questions to you. What is the goal of recipe? You can answer by how to make something is completely done through a sequence of steps. Okay, any questions so far? Two texts before. One, it is in the how to make a pancake, and in the text two is how to make blended ice cappuccino. Okay, today we discuss the social function of recipe. Okay, any question again? No?
Not yet,
No?
sir.
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
I think that we understood our lesson of the recipe. Okay, and then the next we are going to WhatsApp group. Okay, we move to our WhatsApp group.